Potassium, 19th element on the periodic table and classified as an alkali metal with an atomic weight of about 39. It is a soft, silvery white metal that reacts violently with water to produce hydrogen gas and heat. Potassium's high reactivity is common for alkali metals since they have one valence electron, which they're eager to lose and form ionic bonds. Potassium is the seventh most abundant metal in the Earth's crust, making up about 2.4% by mass. It is typically found in minerals such as potassium chloride, potassium sulfate, and potassium carbonate. These potassium salts are sometimes called potash, which is what potassium is named after. The term potash was made because historically, the salts were extracted by leaching wood ash and evaporating the solution in pots. Though today, potash is mined from large underground deposits formed from ancient evaporated seas, with techniques like solution mining and conventional mining being used to recover these potassium salts. Potassium is essential for all living organisms, and in humans, it regulates nerve signals, muscle contractions, and fluid balance by maintaining proper electrical potential across cell membranes. It is a critical component of diets commonly found in bananas, potatoes, and other fruits and vegetables. But some of the potassium in these foods are the naturally occurring isotope potassium-40, which is mildly radioactive and is thought to be a potentially natural cause of genetic mutation in humans. Industrially, potassium is vital for fertilizers, helping to promote plant growth and increase crop yields. It's also used in glass making, detergents, and as oxidizers in fireworks.